Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to JM Publishers. I am your teacher Zathir Fatma and the book which we are doing Maths of Nursery. Students, we are going to do very interesting activities on page number 35. So let's start with me. Are you ready? Yes. Write counting 1 to 20 below. So students, write with me after say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Very nice students. Today you write the number 1 to 20. Very nice students. अपनी क्लासरूम में और घर पर अपने पेरेंट्स की मदद से इन नंबर्स की प्रैक्टिस कीजिए और इनको लिखने के साथ ऊंची आवाज में पढ़िए भी ताकि आपको नंबर 1 to 20 तक इजीली पहचान हो सके।